Saw a link promising free 5,000 V-Bucks from TalkSab.com. Sounds something, right? But before you start entering your Epic Games info, let's take a closer look, because this might not be what it seems. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. TalkSab.com claims to offer free Fortnite V-Bucks just for completing a few simple steps. Classic too good to be true setup. Click here, fill out a form, maybe complete a few offers, then boom, free stuff. But here's the catch. There are no real reviews, no proof anyone actually received V-Bucks, and the site has zero connection to Epic Games. That's a huge red flag. Plus, asking for personal information can easily lead to spam, scams, or worse. Your Fortnite account can become compromised. So is TalkSab legit? Honestly, it screams scam. No official backing, no user proof, and nothing but shady giveaway bait. Don't fall for it. Earning V-Bucks the real way is safer than risking your account. Seen other sites like this? Drop them in the comments so we can review them next. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, honest breakdowns on viral links and online scams.